Hello and welcome to tonight's weather forecast. Over the past 24 hours, we had rains over areas along the coast and parts of the middle portions of the country. Axim gave us 65.7 millimeters, 63.0 over Salt Pond, 59.1 over Kimoda, 53.2 over Kumasi, 51.1 over Accra, and Koforidua giving us 48.0 millimeters. Tonight, we're expecting partly cloudy conditions over areas in the northern part of the country, from Yendi through Tamale, stretching to the upper regions, Bogatanga, Nabrongowa, and its environs. Temperatures will drop to around 23 to 24 degrees Celsius over these areas in the country. In southern Ghana, we're expecting rains over areas in the Oti and the Volta regions, Hohoi, Ho, Dambai, Kitikrachi, and its environs, and parts of the western regions to around Takwa, Pristia, Axim, Takrady, and places closer. Temperatures for southern Ghana will drop to around 22 to 23 degrees Celsius for the night. Tomorrow morning, we are expecting the early mist and fog conditions to bring about a reduction in visibility over the forest and high ground areas of the middle sector. Kintampo, Sunyani, Kumasi, and areas closer will see these conditions. But areas in the eastern parts of the country are expected to have rains later in the morning going into the afternoon. Whole areas around the eastern region, Koforidua and Kokodo, Nkukrum, and its environs will all see these conditions. But for the coastal parts of the country, we are expecting an unstable atmosphere over the ocean to induce cloudiness over coastal Ghana in the morning. Some slight chances of rain over areas along the coast. But later in the morning, we are expecting more areas to see some rains from the morning into the afternoon. So Greater Accra stretching to the western regions are expected to experience rains from late morning going into the afternoon. Later in the afternoon, areas in the western sides of the southern parts of the country, Sunyani, Kumasi, Takwa, Prisia, Takrady, and its environs will also see some thunder and rainfall conditions as the storm over the east is expected to move towards the western sides later in the afternoon. Afternoon temperatures will be a bit mild for southern Ghana, around 29 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius over southern Ghana, and around 30 to 34 degrees Celsius for areas in the northern parts of the country. So we are still expecting a rainy day for southern Ghana tomorrow and bright and sunny conditions over the northern parts of the country tomorrow. That'll be all for the forecast for the next 24 hours. Do have a nice night.